Hey guys, what's up? In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock layers in your project on Photopea.com. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So what you want to do first, guys, is select the layer you would like to lock. For example, if you take a look at that list of layers here from my project, you will see that this project contains currently two different layers, the background image and a shape in the background. So let me just move that shape in the foreground by placing it at the top of the list so that you can see that this layer contains a rectangle here to the left. So I would like to lock it, and this is how you can do it, guys. Simply left click on the given layer, and after that click on that icon here at the top, lock all, and if I click on it, there you go. I won't be able to do anything with the given layer or the objects and items it contains. No editing, no moving the given object will be possible as long as the given layer has been or is locked. And you can unlock this layer by simply clicking on that icon here to the right. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.